better way to start a video than two motorcycles revving up. Hey everybody, Rainy Rider. Don't know quite what day it is. You better watch it. I mean, take it easy. It's got a little more than a month left until the Ohio trip. Heading up to a throttle company in Columbus, Ohio to meet some friends. So we decided to make it into a little meet and greet. Some YouTubers from the area are going to be there. The ones who have said, yeah, use my name. Obviously, Road Warrior Moto, because she owns Throttle Company. Aaron, Nothing at Random, he'll be there. AZDZ Adventures will be there, maybe. And I may have some surprise guests. I do believe 7 Sentinel will be there. Unless things happen. Now I've also got a couple of locals that are going to be there. Tony and Sam Grease, they'll be there. I believe they're going to try to skip hook. I mean, they're gonna trade some shifts to be there, which is a huge honor to me for someone to work very hard to just come to see me. I mean, for my weirdos, I expect that. You guys should just, you know, put out for me, sweat for me, go through some pain. But for people outside our weirdo circle, I mean, that's a huge compliment for somebody to want to come see you and visit with you so much that they'll you know, they'll change their schedules for you. Maybe they just want the donuts. Maybe it's not me. I don't know. But either way, it's gonna be a great time. So it's gonna be July 22nd, 10 a.m. until Nicole kicks us out, pretty much. So I'm gonna have, yeah, coffee, donuts, stickers. Aaron's gonna have his stickers there. The world premiere outside of the weirdo circle of his new logo. If you haven't seen it, he's been putting on his channel on his latest videos. So that is Nothing at Random, or NAR as we like to call him. It's gonna be a good time. 7 Sentinel will eventually get stickers. I think we're gonna probably, you know, we'll strong arm her into getting some stickers and she'll get stickers. And then we'll just see who else shows up. Obviously, Nicole always has stickers. Nicole even has motorcycles that she's selling. Yeah. The rest of it just has stickers. We're small time. If you want to, though, you can go into the Rainy Rider shop or the Goon shop and get some merch to help us support our channel and make videos and do these trips like this and buy stickers that we could just give away. Which is kind of counterproductive, honestly, because we could just sell the stickers. But I mean, nah, we'd rather give them away. I think if you buy t-shirts and buy, you know, the access to our Patreons, and I say buy access, my Patreon is free. I let anybody in that wants to, because I really don't. I do a lot of I do some exclusive stuff. I got some exclusive videos in there, but most of it is just for talking to my people. And I'm very, very happy and very thankful for the guys that I do have in my Patreon. Other than normal motorcycle stuff, I've got my military videos in there. So if you wanted to see my military stuff, back when I was actually in the military training, doing the expeditionary warfare thing, that's all in there. You can see military people doing dumb things for the LOLs, for the LOLs. All right, it's hot. I gotta get some merchandise out today. I'm actually giving stuff away to some people, and I don't know if it'll ever be worth something one day, but yeah, I'll just leave it at that. I'm giving stuff away that was part of the Rainy Rider culture. Yeah, you're right. I doubt it'll ever be worth any money, but I'm doing it anyway. And I'm also teaching the clone how to do driving and car maintenance. And if you know, you know. If you've seen any of the videos, yeah, she's really kicking ass on that stuff. I mean, she's done brakes, she's done spark plugs, she's done the oil change, she's oiled the squeaky doors. So yeah, I'm pretty proud of her. And she did the serpentine belt, which was a pain in the ass. I helped a lot on that, I did. But to even attempt doing a serpentine belt, if you've never done one, you know, it's a 7 pulley system, and it's an 8 pulley system. It's a pain in the ass. It's a huge pain in the ass. So I'm very proud of her. Good girl. Good going girl. So let me get home, and I'm gonna take her driving. Bye guys. See you in a minute. What's up, guys? Alright. Ready to go home after work. Something I did last night. Put on my new USB port. Has a cover on it where you can see the voltage and plug your stuff in, so I don't have to run it down between my leg like I was before. And it works pretty well. Alright. Let's go home. We got this beautiful babe of a motorcycle to ride. It's very warm. I'm wearing, these are about 2 years old. These are my Indy Ridge Power Sport gloves. It's that time of year. These are the most less leather gloves that Indy Ridge has. But they're still comfortable. This is my favorite thing about these is the wrist strap that locks the gloves on. Makes them feel a little more secure. You can get them a little tighter. And they breathe, so I like them. Alright then, we're gonna go home. You wanna? Let's do. Oh, I forgot to set up the tunes. Can't be going home without the tunes. Find some good tunes. Yeah, she's a Harley. She rattles her ass off when you first start her up. She gets better later. So, alright, let's see here. I will be doing this song at the camp out. You can read it with all the shaking. It's Warren Ziders, Ride the Lightning. You can't hear it, but I can. Not that I need to worry about demonetization right now, but you never know. YouTube gets weird sometimes with songs, and you can't even put a song on. Alright, so I'm headed home. Let's see. Sunshade down, shield up. Headed home. Catch you in a minute.